Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing a video today on UST. But before I get started, please click the like and subscribe button as it helps this channel grow very quickly. So UST is pretty much dead. I mean, all over Twitter are talking about it. They just want to say, okay, this is it for this coin. And it's a stable coin that was no longer stable, and that is exactly what had happened. So Qcoin says they're going to support the migration and airdrop for Terra Luna and Terra USD tokens. So is it going to be Terra USD now instead of Terra UST? I'm not quite sure where that's going yet. And then we see this. Terra's backers vote to keep Luna alive and abandon the stablecoin UST after its collapse drove a crypto meltdown. And that's exactly what happened. A coin that was supposed to be stable and pegged at one price became unstable, and when it crashed, it took Luna with it. And then we see this. Just in, UST stablecoin is now trading at 8 cents. And I don't see any upward movement on this. This isn't going to pump with the airdrop, I don't believe. I think it's kind of like dead now. And I don't want to put too much emphasis on this coin because it's kind of like there's no revival plan, really. Because then we see this. Terra Governance system passes the plan to burn 1.3 billion UST tokens. So they're going to burn the remaining supply. And you would think that would drive the price up. But I don't even see that happening. Like, you don't see really any kind of real pump going on in the coin at all. So keep moving. UST stablecoin loses dollar peg for the second time in 48 hours. Luna market cap falls below UST's. That's when the collapse happened. This was from May 9th. It became so unstable that Luna couldn't survive either, and they both just crashed out. Terra UST plunges over 35% as post-attack snapshot is taken. And we keep seeing nothing but bad news for UST. So I don't think, as an investor, now is not the time to get into UST. It just isn't. I think it's a dead coin. I don't really want to talk too much about it. I'm just kind of doing a video to let everyone know, it's not a good investment, and I wouldn't buy into it. Then we see U.S. Treasury official, stablecoin, UST's collapse, wake-up call for crypto. So it's driving the U.S., and it's also driving Asia. South Korea trading environment, Bitcoin goes sideways because they're saying that regulatory attention needs to be put on the entire trading environment now because of what had happened. So there's not going to be this coin is not going to meet regulation. It already crashed out, and I'm going to leave you with that. I just kind of wanted to put something quick together because people were asking, what's the news on UST? What's the news on UST? Well, I see it as a dead coin at this point. I may be wrong. If you find something different, read into it. But before I invest, I would definitely do a lot of research. So with that said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great night.